What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are not at our usual spot today. We're actually at our new shop. Not new shop, we got relocated. From now on, all the videos, installation videos you guys will see will be here at Elite Wraps. We pretty much borrowed a quarter, maybe half the shop. So our lift is here. We're gonna take that corner over there, which we'll show you guys and go through it together. We're gonna build a nice photo booth area. So for customers that come install, and want to take pictures, I think we're gonna have a nice spot for them, which we're gonna do later. So that whole corner will be remodeled, and then we're gonna be doing installation here. So for those that want to stop by and see our WX, you guys come anytime at Elite Wraps. Here's the address. You can pull up. If we're here, me and Dre here. If not, we'll be at the other shop working. But you're more than welcome to come and see our VBs. They'll be either parked most likely outside. But today we're gonna be officially doing some stuff that we've done to our previous VB, but change up a little bit because this build right here is amazing. We got a lot of positive feedback from you guys. A lot of you guys want to see a bunch of stuff, which we have so we have a bunch of stuff coming for the car, like a front, like a metal bar. It's called a dog bar or something like that. Is that what they call it? A dog bar? Dog bar? I think someone in the comments said that. But we're gonna have lights here, lights inside the grill. Jerry, we should put a brace bar.
You dog.
Yeah. And we put a light bar on the top. Other people were suggesting maybe we should do like a travel suspension.
Wheel well lighting,
Oh yeah, so, when it lights up into like shapes, LED shapes, when it spins, put Jerry's face on it, We still gotta do overlay, so a lot of stuff we gotta do, but we're gonna take it step by step. But today, the main thing I wanna go over today with Jerry was swap the exhaust over, because the STI exhaust, in my opinion, is drone. Like for some reason, even with the muffler, it's more droney than no mufflers. I don't know how to explain, it's really weird, but we're gonna swap it out today with our axle back, and we're also gonna swap out the rear spoiler. So as you can see, we have the V3 Duckbill on. It looks good, but I just feel like for a rally build, we need something special, right? So, Jerry, let's show them what we're doing. We're gonna put on our STI WING V1 in gloss black. I feel like because we have a lot of gloss black already, I think the rear does need a little bit of wing. As you can see, it's gonna look something like this. Yeah, like that, huh? Oh, minus the rear spoiler, I feel like it looks really good. But we're gonna go ahead and take off the duckbill today. So let's give it away, Jerry. Comment below, guys, whatever you want, and then we'll pick a winner in the next video. Give this away. Put the exhaust out, but before we put the exhaust out, Jerry, let's give him a rev clips of what it sounds like with the SM mufflers. I didn't tighten anything yet, but as you can see with our axle back, everything's adjustable. So if you don't know, if I want to stick my tips all the way to here, you can, but you can have it like up to here, whatever. And then if you ever get bored of these tips, you want to stop out to a polish one, you can always email us to order a pair of tips. But yeah, everything is set up already. So me and Jerry are gonna bolt everything down. You can adjust too, guys. So if you want to let it sit this way, raise the hangers, see this? So anything is possible, guys. Super adjustables, All right, guys, I'm gonna finish this up and then I'll give you guys a sound clip before we go on to my favorite part of the mod today is gonna be the STI WING. Enjoy these B-rolls. Guys, I just removed all the 3M double-sided tape. For those that ever want to swap out to like a duckbill to a wing, and you have massive 3M double-sided tape, and it's super hard to take off, get one of these rubber wheels. to Amazon for like 10 bucks. But make sure when you do this, do take your time. Don't, put on max speed so you can burn through your paint. Just slowly, gently, and remove all the damn stuff that's tape, just like that. Now, the fun part, we're gonna go ahead and put back the stock spoiler. Oh, really? All right, guys. Also, as you can see, the color match on the stock spoiler. Our trunk's different. If you guys don't know, a lot of parts, even OEM, are painted in different sections and times. So the color and plastic and metal always has slightly shade off. But overall, you can't tell though. It looks great. We have all the 3M off. Now we're gonna drill this bad boy and put the STI wing on. Oh, by the way, guys, comment below, guys, if you want to take the, where did Duckbill go, Jerry? We'll give you guys, and then we'll give you guys some new tape. So, but I don't want to take this off, so you guys are gonna have to take this off with your tape. Pretty much, you set tape under the template which is providing the wing, and then we take the template down and we drill. We only give you one template, so you can do one side of the side. So we're cheating today, and then we got 2 templates. And then after this, we set it up. We're gonna drill through the holes, and then over the holes out in the trunk, bolt it down, and we are good to go. I'm very excited to see this because initially me and Jared thought about putting STI wing, but like, nah, let's put the Duckbills, try it out. This exhaust is temporary because we are doing a center exit exhaust. So stay tuned for that, guys. And then work your way through the second one.
Oh my God, you're trolling me.
Guys, once you make the 3 holes, you can go ahead and remove the template. Don't take the whole tape off here, guys. Just take the template off.
I took the tape off.
I'll take the template off. Good job, Jerry. All right, guys. I want to see if I puncture through the hole. Oh, one's right here. I see one hole. Okay, where's the other one? All right, guys. Now I'm gonna go straight down to find the opening of the holes. I think it was spinning, that's why.
No, I probably should take that out.
That's great. Now it's probably stuck in here somewhere. Good thing I have another one. Try and drill through one hole right now and the second one, and we got the third one already. So Jerry's gonna oval out everything. All right, guys, we have successfully drilled all the holes out. Now we're putting the wing with the bolts through the trunk into the spoiler, and then we should be good to go. All right, guys, we just did it. Installation of the wing. That took about a close 2 hours first time. Overall, not too bad, guys. So usually Kevin installed these for us, but if you're at home, you want to do this, just have the right tools and you're good to go. The wing is on. Crystal black silica to match with the whole black and orange thing. As you can look, oh, I missed a spot right here. It looks crazy, guys. So if you're interested in a wing, link is in the bio below. Actually, it looks more like a rally car, Jerry. What do you think?
Yeah, oh, hey. Battle scar.
So that was 100% my fault. I'll take responsibility because I was drilling through it and accidentally tilted a little bit, and then I broke one of the drill bits. Yeah, and then, but on the next one, we should be good to go. You know, so if you want to get your wing installed, you can always hit up Ely Wraps to install for you. All right, guys, we're officially done. The exhaust is on, the wing is on. I think.
Dude, this thing looks very good now.
Yeah, I think it definitely needed the wing over the Duckbill.
I think once we get that roof rack.
Yeah, we can get a roof rack and then get a front brace.
Oh, so, hey, someone did suggest that we get like a rear extra spare tire for the back.
I don't know about that. I mean, what we should do first, we should go to a dirt road area, like there's a place in Bakersfield, which is Bakersfield, 2 hours away from here. There's like open field. So we're gonna go take that first, drive on it, see how the car drives, you know, on actual dirt and like not just, you know, concrete. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll be working a lot on this car. A lot of guys been DMing me like, yo, where's the gray VB at, you know? So we have some stuff coming for the car. We have brake turbo kit, which I mentioned many times already. That's it for this video, guys.
Comment down below for the giveaway.
Oh yeah, don't forget, guys, to comment down below to give away. But Jerry, you gotta show them this angle right here. It looks crazy, like.
Yeah.
Angle. It looks more of a rally car now, definitely.
Can't even see it, but yeah, it looks good.
Yeah. All right, guys.
Damn.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share this video. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you guys next time. Peace. What do I have this?